how to get YouTube Premium for free. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get the YouTube Premium for free. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So there are certain processes you need to follow in order to get the YouTube Premium for free. First of all, open the YouTube app, and then you just need to you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So here you just need to navigate to your profile here. After that, simply go to the settings or gear icon, and you should be able to see this purchases and memberships option. Simply go there, and here you should be able to see this learn mode option. So what you're going to do is simply tap on this learn mode option. After that, you'll be able to see a bunch of plans here, like this individual, student, and family, and all those kind of options. So unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can get the YouTube Premium for free. But what you can do instead is look up for offers, like getting offers like you don't need to pay, you need to pay only $0 a month in order to get some plans. So you just need to look out for those offers. Right now, we have this offer of $1.99 a month for getting the student plan. There may be some offers like getting your student plan for free. Just look up for those offers, and you should be able to get YouTube Premium for free, which is one of the most convenient way on how you can get the YouTube Premium for free. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to get the YouTube Premium. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.